What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently up 7% on the day. See market cap 2.21 billion. 24-hour volumes is 516 million. What am I getting an alert for? Oh, Crow, strong buy signal. Okay, so taking a look at Gala Games, we're holding the max retracement for the 4. My laptop loves to lag when I screen record. And we have a bullish wick. See the bulls pushing the price right back up to the 50% retracement. So if we can hold that and see continuation to the upside, then we can push up in our wave 5, seeing at 0.09 and 0.099. That's if we hold that. If we fail to do so, we break down, then we have to look at a deeper correction. But as of right now, we are holding that level. So until it breaks, there is the possibility of pushing up to our wave 5 target. As we can see on the daily chart, we're coming back to retest this strong support zone in between 0.05544 and 0.06149, where we're currently finding support. So we need to hold this level. If we do pull back, then we will drop all the way down to about 0.05544. Wave 4s, they can pull back deeper, but if it does break into the wave 1 high, which is at about 0.048, then it would invalidate the wave count. So sometimes wave 4s, they do pull deeper than the 50%, but normally the max retracement is the 50%. All right, guys, we have multiple trades open right now. I'm tallying up the trades this week. We absolutely crushed it all week long. My signals are free, guys. Here's last week results. We had 13 wins and 2 losses. I took way more trades this week, and I'll be totaling it up at the end of the day. You can see it for free in the weekly results. If you want access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups for crypto, my 50x sniper trades where I'm sniping tops and bottoms, crypto news, member profits, Forex day trades, Forex signals, Forex swing trades as well. All completely for free with a sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. You get 10% commission on your fees when you sign up through my link. In North America as well, no KYC, no VPN. And then email me after you've made your first deposit, either on BTCC or MEXC. And the links are in the comments, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms. And every day I'm giving multiple trade signals. So if you want to make some juicy profits, reach financial freedom, would highly recommend it. Just send me email after your first deposit to one of the exchanges. Links in the comments. If you don't want to sign up to either exchange, you can sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up the like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.